Hey everybody, if you want to earn money from playing games like $10 I just made, watch this video right now. Greetings to all you gamers. This is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. Today we're going to be looking at Alpha, the one place to go and earn money while playing games. We're going to get started right away with just the overlook here. It shows you here, welcome to Alpha, yada yada yada, and then it also shows you complete tasks to earn coins, and so far this is the list of tasks that I've earned. So I earned 76 coins, 7,087, 61, 513, and then recently I just earned 1,995 coins. And on total, I have earned up to $10.35, and I can withdraw this at any time. So we're going to get started on how to do that. This is your home page, this is your activity page, and we're going to go to play. That's the most important thing, I'm sure. So it gives you a selected for you option where you can pick the game that you want. Ebony, The King's Return. Not a lot of people like this game, but you can earn big money from here. That's approximately $100 in value, 187 dollars and 32 cents in value here. If you go through and complete these challenges, buy something and then you earn it through these levels. That takes a lot of skill, a lot of dedication, and probably a lot of change if you need to. So we're just going to close out of this, and then we are going to go and see what the offers are. So you can pick any game here from this list. So let's say you want to play Yahtzee. So you look at the objectives of the game, and then you just press earn the coins now, install the game, and start playing. It is just that simple, and it shows you the progress on this progress window. It shows some that I've completed and some that I have not yet completed, and there were also some that the offers expired because I didn't complete them in time. That is known to happen if you got a busy schedule and if you're not known to play them in time. So if you do that, it tracks your progress, and then as you play it, you have to open the games through the app in order to earn the coins. Make sure you remember that. And then when you earn enough, you go to the top right here, and then it shows your balance. And then it shows support, terms of use, and all that. You don't need to know that. And then there's my verified profile, and then you press withdraw. And then you select the entire amount that you withdraw here, and then they charge a nominal fee. And basically I get $10.20 US cents. And then what you do is that your PayPal account must match within your details. Astra coins are managed by Tilia. This is the maker of the app. So then you go and withdraw cash. So you look at available balance, 1.5% payout fee, withdraw cash. So we press that now, and it'll go through the window, and then once everything is successful, you can add your PayPal account. And then when you do that, follow the instructions and you will earn your cash. And once you have selected your payout method and you confirmed it, it says the money is on the way and that payment will take several days to complete. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time for a new video.